Okay. All right. So, Beau, tell me a little bit about yourself.
My name is Beau Taylor. I live in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Kind of grew up there. I am married, have a wife, two dogs, and a cat. And I've been working at the company I work for now, trained for 9 years. So,
Awesome. Awesome. That's great. Um, so what are some of your strengths and weaknesses in the workplace?
I believe some of my strengths are I'm very proficient at using like Microsoft Suite 365. I'm very good at using like Excel. I do a lot of stuff on Excel for work. Right now, I work as an estimator, so have to use that program quite a bit. That's some of my strengths. I would say some of my weaknesses are just like learning some of the programs that I haven't seen before in the workplace, like some of the CRM systems, like Zoho. I'm not too familiar with that, but other than that, I'm pretty good with the, like I said, the standard Microsoft.
Awesome. Okay. Why did you decide to get into account management?
Uh, One of the reasons I decided to get into account management is I have a passion for just building relationships with like customers and problem solving. I feel like I'm a problem solver, and I've kind of, you know, went through life having to solve a lot of issues, and I'm very career driven. I want to grow my career, and I would say another reason I wanted to get into account management. I used to be a service technician for about 7 years, and I've
Okay.
really enjoyed driving like new client development and growing our business as a service department. So that's some of the reasons that I wanted to get into this side of the business.
Awesome. Okay. Tell me about the last creative idea that you implemented in your work area.
So the last idea that I implemented, we're still working as a service estimator, and what I did, we have a real it's like a slow process of estimating. Our program is very slow and antiquated. Well, I developed a Excel spreadsheet that's interactive, like kind of real time, so you can plug numbers in, plug certain data points in, and everything, and it'll spit out a number quick for you. So it allows you to turn around and estimate faster and
Oh,
get proposals out to the clients faster.
gotcha. Okay. Tell me the last time you handled a customer complaint.
That's a good one there. That's a great question. The last time that I handled a customer complaint was I was dealing with a customer that was very frustrated, and he was frustrated with our service department. And basically, what happened, one of our service technicians went out and had an issue, and basically, he didn't complete the job and didn't finish it and didn't like fix the problem with the customer's air conditioner. So the customer called me, was extremely upset, basically trying to cancel the contract with us. So what I did, I wound up calling the customer and kind of just first thing I did, I made sure I apologized, let him know, hey, look, we value your relationship. We'll do anything we can to make this work. We'll send somebody else back out there to fix the issue. And talked to our service manager, and he sent a technician out. And what he did was he came out, diagnosed the problem, actually fixed it the right way. And then once it was fixed, the customer was happy. And I followed up with him a few days later to make sure that his unit was still running and everything was good to go. And we've been having a great relationship ever since.
Awesome. That's really good customer service skills. Um, how do you approach a new client onboarding the process?
Well, another great question. First thing I like to do is, again, kind of get to know the client, meet with the client, either take them to lunch or something, kind of understand what they want and what their expectations are from us. Um, I like to collaborate with some of my internal teams and see what we can provide to this customer, because we have so many different business streams. We can offer them several different services. Um, there are certain touch points that I like to, you know, uh, I like to use those to gather like feedback and address any concerns that this customer may have and be able to find a solution for them as quickly as possible.
Okay, awesome. Okay. What tools or software are you proficient in that help you manage accounts effectively? I'm sorry.
No worries. Uh, like I said, I'm not very familiar with the Zoho CRM process. CRM management system, but I am familiar with Salesforce. Um, we use Salesforce every day in my current role. We use it to manage pipelines, manage like customer interactions. We use it to like automate workflows, generate reports, track client interactions, and you know other things like in Microsoft like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Proficient with those for sure.
All right, I think I just have one more question.
Okay.
Why should we hire you?
Why should you hire me? That's a great question. I love that. I believe you should hire me, especially. I understand that they have a lot of great candidates out there. All of these other people that are interviewing are probably fantastic candidates. But what I bring to the table is I bring 8 years of experience, six in the field, plus the other years in estimating. I also bring, I've recently gotten my bachelor's degree, and I also bring, I have a lot of clientele, like a book of clients, and in a previous role that I was working in, I can offer that to you and bring, try and expand our customer base.
Awesome.
So,
Okay, well, it was so good getting to meet you, and I appreciate our interview.
awesome. Thank you so much. It was
All
great
right.
meeting with you.
Thank you. All right.